I've made some progress on the disassembly. I think I lucked out on the chain. It's got a clip style master link here, so I'll be able to take it off, and if it's a good chain, which looks like it probably is, I should be able to reuse it. Got to get to the front brakes. It looks like some pretty interesting fabrication going on down here for the suspension linkage. I had to coil this bleed valve. It felt like it was going to break off in here, but it came out. There's some not so great looking stuff going on with quite a bit of stuff on this bike. I just called this guy to try to pick up this parts bike. If that tank is in good shape, I would like to procure it. But there was no answer. Hopefully the dude will call me back. I've also emailed him. More bonus footage. Here's dinner. Check out them fat pipes. These are DGs on the left, Toomey's in the center, and Turfree pipes over there. I thought the transmission was full. I pulled the dipstick out the other day and it showed a little dot of oil on it. Cool, it's empty. Should have left the rear brake on. There's my rear brake. I loosened it with the breaker bar. That was an easy one. That actually worked out pretty good.